What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can add a Spotify playlist to your library. So let's start this video by launching the Spotify app. When the app is launched, on your home screen you will see a lot of playlists and songs. Now browse through the playlist and select the one you want to add to your library. Now tap on the playlist and the playlist will open. When the playlist opens, you will be able to see all the songs on this playlist. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see a heart icon. If you tap on that, this playlist will be added to your library. Now tap on your library at the bottom of the screen, and you will see that playlist here. And that is how you can add a playlist to your Spotify library. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.